Ever wondered how an electric scooter moves? A battery, controller, motor, and throttle work together to turn electricity into motion. The battery stores electrical energy, usually using lithium-ion cells, then delivers that energy through wiring when the scooter needs power. The controller acts like the scooter's electronic manager, regulating how much electrical current reaches the motor based on your throttle input. When you twist the throttle, its sensor sends a signal to the controller, telling it how much acceleration you want. The controller powers the brushless motor, where magnetic fields interact with coils, producing rotational force that turns the wheel. During acceleration, the controller increases motor power. When you release the throttle, power decreases and the scooter begins coasting. Going uphill requires more torque, so the motor typically demands more electrical power to maintain speed against increased resistance. Smooth acceleration, proper tire pressure, reasonable loads, and steady speeds can reduce unnecessary energy use and help extend riding range. After riding, recharge the battery with the manufacturer's approved charger in a dry, ventilated location and follow its safety instructions. So, the throttle requests power, the controller manages it, the motor creates rotation, and the battery supplies energy. Like and subscribe.